day, everyone, and welcome to Culxure Conversations. This is our very first episode, and we are excited to bringing you conversations with different artists from Bulawayo, the city of kings and queens. Gontutu ziyathunqa, komfazi utshaya indoda, ngonyama ayipheli kuphela amazinyo endoda. My name is Kudakwashe Takundwa, Indebele Crash elingumkoma. Today I'm joined by one of the city's finest, a man with a husky voice, they say, a very talented theater, dance and film personality. I now call him Litshe, some call him Ishmael Muvingi, but I would like to welcome Litshe to Culxure Conversations. Put us. Zikipha. All right. Ngiyathawa ukukubona. Litshe. Yeah. All right. So vele kathesi vele city Litshe.
Yeah, Litshe. Right now.
All right. So issue sesingifake eceleni bicha. All right. Sihle siye endabeni yakhona. Why the name Litshe?
Well, the name Litshe came about school. I was a sport person and I use my arts. I used to play rugby. So they used to tease me. I didn't like the name really. But the more was on the nickname, the more it was really cooler. So I ended up adopting the name. Up to now.
Ah, okay. Yeah. So take me back to your childhood.
Yeah.
Yes, Kanyela, you are saying sports. How did then the crossover happen from sports to arts?
Alright, maybe just really move. School, primary army, I attended the Tropical Primary School. And during that time in the primary, I was involved into sports and I'm a drama school or music, I'm a dancing club, in school. But my main interest was in sport. Then I went to secondary level in Milton High School. Continued my sports army. Then I got the interest when we grew up for business hip hop. So I was just a salad by then. I went to Milton. So I'm rapper. Then get to school. I played rugby, club level, then I said provisional team, and then I said national team under 21s. And then so happened with the training. I didn't say Makande. I did Makande. So it was 1994. I would say you could say yeah, it could be a component. So Babe Tolelini did Mr. Essence, Essence. Ovula shop at Main Street and 13th Avenue. So they wanted to good production and performance we element in Yana, home rapper, Kuma, what he says, like a products, I'm schooling from Yanta. So I think it's related. The director of Makana goes, but the chum no better of the salad, often the salad, we don't have points into the rap. How about the study sense in the Gangan? I'm a freestyle. Katikiwa liko labedi and the I can't do what I'm involved. About dance, I'm only notice. Good Dagonapo, but we told it Lila. Lamajangi. I don't have a color. Training Iraq, more interest having up. There's the music, is it dance, traditional dance, 18 I from Konap till now.
So this was by accident?
By accident. By accident, would very right tongue as I in China. I'm sure I continually play sports.
Okay. So lapo rapper, what was your stage name? Babe kubiza bani lapho sing.
Lapha vele lapha ngangichowa vele. Kusilitshe ba ile music sengidumele but singale. Kwasukula amabizo njengabo Dwala. Dombo la Mwari. Wazi amabizo amanye afani nje. Amanye afani, But akusangumbisele move.
Oh, okay. All right. So now you have forgot about sports. You are now a full-time artist.
Yeah, I'm now a full-time artist, but I still love sport. Ngoba social, I take part in social events like a bora. Yamba idlala ibhola lami social size yami. Yamba yebukela the team yami ngithanda kakhulu ibhoso. Ngakhoda Manchester United.
So, what was your experience ukhula eMakhandeni? What did Makhandeni teach Litshe?
Hey, yeah, Makhandeni taught Litshe into eziningi. Because like I said, uthi background yami ukuthi mina ngumuntu lwana ngawafika emankomponi. Ithi ngakhulela enkomponi ube ngumfana ofunda esikhiweni. Abantu bakukhayela ngelinye ilihlo. Yabona, you are given names, you are labeled. Yabona ukuthi laba ngabe esikhiweni, laba ngabe salad. So mina bamfundisa ukuba humble. Uyabona, uaccepta, uyabona, uadapta noadjusta kuma situations engangathola lapha enkomponi life compared to life ethi yangapha esaladini.
So by accident you find yourself as an artist from Makhandeni to Glastonbury. Am I pronouncing it right?
Glastonbury.
Okay, so tell us about your experiences touring the world. How was it for you? Wow. How did you feel? Your first flight?
Hey. That's the first flight yami was in 2004. Esamba khona in Scotland. Is attending Aberdeen International Youth Festival. Leqembu Umkhathi Theatre Works. That was 2004. Whereas it was a great experience. Umkhathi very much it was my first time. And the first time I'm gonna ngagada ama-frame machine ayikona eyodwa. So it was a great experience and it was an eye opener because safika safunda lathi khona ngalo kuningi, you know, esabuya sesi-add i-value kumkhathi Theatre Works. Then suka lapho there was a call for auditions while ngisebenza kumkhathi done by a group out Siyaya Arts eMakhokho. So we call it for auditions there babefuna nama-actors, ama-singers, nama-dancers for a production okuthiwa onke osa. Then ngakhuluma namajida emkhathi kodwa amadoda kule opportunity nje. Amajida no, umnyango uvulekile, we cannot close the doors for any opportunity for anyone. So ngawufuna ukuthi la uyezama, you can go, you have our blessings. I went for auditions. Fortunate enough, ngaba one of the finalists. I've been selected kuma auditions there. I've been part of the cast.
Okay. So considering ukuthi kudala there was a lot of stigma or gokulezi into eziningi ezazenzakala ku-art ukuthi you couldn't just move from one group to another. Kwakusiba ngani usuphula omunye umthetho. Kuwe usufika eSiyaya. How did then they welcome you and beat also khonokho kuyi-confusion okhona kudala ukuthi vele wawungeke uphonga cross floor? How did you?
Yeah, well, vele ama-politics e-arts asuka kudala. Uzathola ukuthi vele kwaqala kunzima ukuthi beku-accept abanye ngabathola ngapha eSiyaya. Uyabona ukuthi sekubuya lo, uyabona ngowamawezi, you know, your code names. Dalo ngowamawezi, but mina umuntu ngangena ndaba ukuthi I was focused. Umuntu wayimchanga umsebenzi. Uyabona ukuthi wena wazi uthini, but mina ngangifaka umsebenzi wami phambili. Umsebenzi wami wawuzikhulumela. Uyabona? Owayenza ukuthi ekugcineni ukuthi kwagcina sokungani lami vele ngangivele ngikho. Uyabona? Ngevale ngase ngi-edile lami yokufikeni kwami ku-Siyaya Arts. Uyabona?
Okay, so sike sibuyele futhi emuva. Usuke sadalala, ususiya eMkhathi. What inspired this move?
Well, eqinisweni i-art yethu ngesikhathi lesana sasikwenza nje just for ongela ukuthi ngakuthatha nje ngathi i-profession yani, because you could go and perform wathola iskipper so uthabe for example I'm a trade fair le-performance iphiwa ama-t-shirt asebhakyoke wathi i-Matebele Age Council utabe nise-trade fair, you know, sasingakabe ingqondo sasingakavuleki ukuthi no you can earn a living through into zama-arts, but ababengama-leaders at that time basebekwazi ngoba babeqale kudala kulathi. So sathi siqeza ukufunda ukuthi kule mali phakathi, appreciation inji, you can earn a living, you can do this in arts. It's not all about entertaining or educating, but it's also what a form of employment. But then owayenza vele ngasuka eqinisweni kwaba lo greatness yabona ecompany ukuthi you find ukuthi you perform city child basis, for example maybe I'm yabokwazi that sengishaye imchaka pay 6-7 you're not paid yabona ngoba even ngawuzaphiwa khona kokuyimbijana then inkala ngathi umuntu ezithathile yena yabona azidlile
sure
yabona. So sasifundekile lanto ingqondo that time ukuthi kunje ngathi sengithi hayi mina bakithi papayi ngisakwanisi ukuthi nisebenze ngale indlela isebenza ngayo yabo ngoba kakhanya mloku ngisebenzele omunye umuntu ngabe talent ngelami yabo. So mina shift ngikhayele kweindlela, take a risk, mphume ngijoin, and kwaba buhlungu because into eyenzakala sasirisa wonder yabona
okay
yeah ukuthi ama-officer bekhangeleni so ukuthi esadalala nansi Umkhathi nansi. So la you can imagine ngawusuka erumini yami ngena kule yabo lihlangana semndawo phela lichene ama-rehearsal space but same there. So that's what happened. Okay. Kwaba lokuzondana ukuthize but mina I didn't mind, like I said ngiyaqhubeka vele ngomsebenzi wami until abazi ba-accept umuntu lo phela semuvi semuvi on. Yeah.
So sisakhona talking about issues to do with payment. uLitshe uthe thole imali yakhe eningi ku-art like isalary okwayihole yayingani iningi. So what happened? U-issue wayenza njani? How did you behave? Or let's say your first salary.
Angeke ngithi first salary such. Maybe kwatshintsha kona behavior like touring yabo ukuthi when I started touring extensively yikho ngabona khona umahluko yabona ukuthi akade singikwanisa unjani ulama can buy myself property, I can buy my kids this, I can send my kids to a proper yabona isikole esingcono, you know, I can look after my parents yabona kwasokuyisikhathi sengitour le Siyaya arts because we did gigs and festivals, lama workshops ayebhadala akunokudlala ayebhadala imali sibili yabona ukuthi lawo ngawule ngqondo wawenza something sibili.
Interesting. So after issues said decide ukuthi I'm taking art as a career, as something that is going to be a part of my daily life, abadala bathini ekhaya la, because we know ukuthi kudala most people had certain ideas about artists and art in general. Abadala babe sithi
vele insela babe ngakuthakazeleli, to be honest with you, babe ngakuthakazeleli ukuthi especially eside lami ngikhulumela mina ukuthi mina abantu bale ukucabanga ukuthi abantu abenza ama-arts abafundayo nangajaya isikole nangavele ngaphuma kwifamily ubaba maze principal samanye babami wayengezinkulu zamapholisa wayenguchef omkhulu babami, and thina ifamily yanga sonke academically we did well, and ubabami wayele ngqondo lezana ukuthi wonke umntanami vele ngifuna ngingeneni senza mpholisa army what into ezenthethe umthetho mina yimi ngiyethu ngaba tayindluwele nga
ephokweni
yabona yime kanjani engajekayo. So vele babecabanga ukuthi athi yakwayibhadala yabantu abangafundanga olufundile, because at one time ngabaleka training hambe training eChikurupi
sure
sa train ukuba prison officer yabona ngasenza uyila bayamachita ngadla phansi wambona semvile nje yabo achinga wazixoxa endle ngahlala kogogo wami lephumula yabo enga understand, but mina ngathi hayi ngavele ngifuna lokho Andingele futhi isipane emandastri. Ngasebenza phela malami emandastri.
Oh, okay.
Ku-Arnel ngale kuphekwa khona izwitsi ngangena.
All right.
Akulungisa khona izicathulo kuthiwa ngo-footwear rubber ngangafiki.
All right.
Vele ngangena but ngathi lokhu asikho kwami. Lokhu hayi asikho kwami. Ngoba athe isingene ngibona uthando but mina ngithanda ukuhlabela. Sengibona ukuthi ngithanda ukugida. Lokhu ukuthi ngisebenza ngifolonya kanje so this is not my thing. Yabo. So they were against very into zama-arts.
But ugogo lapho wayesithini ephumula la wazi
ugogo manje nguye appreciate kakhulu. Yabona ugogo nguye inspire futhi appreciate kakhulu.
Okay.
Futhi later abadala phela bathi ngase accept sebejabula sebebona la msebenzi ukuthi ngikuyindinga icross imbele. Imanyana yi so ingungu nalena ingungu adinga igida yesi esikuthengele mdala i-TV oyibukele. So yahola kule mali phakathi la usumthele lesuku umdala hawo yabo sekase appreciate yabo ukuthi okay so was about understand that too.
All right. So sibuye city Europe kancane. I understand ukuthi la you also did teaching classes.
Yeah.
What exactly was happening there?
Okay, in Europe what was happening ukuthi sasiyenza ama-training like in schools, universities, colleges, communities, training. Actually it's not training, it's just sharing our experience through music and the dance, African dance, even the drumming. So we used to go to like primary schools, in early age, African drumming. Very far from to simulate culture in Africa, especially Zimbabwe.
Oh, okay, all right. So now you are touring with Siyaya, Susugile Umkhathi. Full time or is this part time? What is happening?
Oh, okay. Yeah, what is happening is it's not full time at Siyaya. Like in Chile, stand but then to the opportunity. And Shiyana sasuka lapha sa imagine nangana but in Kenya was to
all right.
Ngale ngifika ngale it was on a contract basis.
Okay.
Uthi hayi wona ndoda usilawe la up to isikhathi singaka.
Okay.
Yabona uZambezi Express uzaphusha efika isikhathi esinje.
Okay.
So I was part of that big project.
Okay.
So ithe iphela la project. Actually during that project kwakuvuka ama jobs azalwa yini project yakhe. So ithe iphela uZambezi Express lokho okunye okuzele okuncane kwakuyayo. I was part of it.
Okay.
Yabona. I was part of it ngasenzani sengiqedisa lokho kanjalo. Kwakusele okuncane. So ithe kuphela kanjani ngabuyela ngaka.
All right.
Umkhathi.
Oh, continue Umkhathi. All right. So konke lokhu it's also helping you as an artist, your growth.
Yes.
So how do you then learn to being a musician? To start doing your own songs? How did that come about?
Okay. Ngathi tour when the festival, you know, ngenzi workshop yabe music. I met a guy tshonana ngekhohle ibizo lakhe but very Senegal. Yamba labo segregator, the guy who Senegal uchayi ikhora. Who plays chord instrument. They loved the workshop yami ngangiyenza the music. So asizixoxela nje on a break. Ngombuzo ukuthi wena uyahlabela yini do you own solo? I mean, what you utsho not? Phela wona usungayenzani. Singakwanzi ukuhlabela phela iyi-one. Or maybe you came up with your own band, form your own band. Yabona. Okunzima yini? I don't have instruments. No, but the opportunity that is like. And the instruments are cheaper phela la. No, ngahlala phansi, you know. Ngakucabanga sengiyone. Hayi but ukuhlabela phela yakwazi ukuhlabela. But ungamisa yini? Next tour. Nganto bala mekikata. Beke ngathi. sengikhona ngichile ngoba amathilisi andazi uhambe emazweni abantu bachawa ngefashion ngidala mele bembone ekhaya ukuthi ngiswenkile ngathi katara mbekela ama keyboard yami drum kit yami lapha what my microphone na mixer yami angabona sengizingide ngoma instruments ngaqhaza ukuriyesa manje ngapha ngisemazweni ngiriyesa labantu engisebenza la Siyaya nje ama individuals ngidama ukuthi idea wami ngabona kuyaphuma then ngathi hayi for a trial when I get back home ngaphinda eZimbabwe ngike ngifome yami iband ngabe ngiqalisa yami iband 2016 abe sithi band with no name.
Why band with no name?
Ngambalekile khona kanye yabona ukuthi since ngizaqalisa ngingafuna ukuthi ngihle ngizenze mina ophezulu ukuthi ngithi Litshe and what so kube into ukuthi ngiyahamba fike ngicele wena khula ngidangana ngoba njani sisenze kunye kwi-project wethu la ibizo but hayi siyabona iphela asifuna ukuthi kuda into what Litshe ngowethu ukuthi la uyakufaka input yakho so ngapha ukuthi after a few guys 5-6 nyana sazinjani siyenze band
with no name
yangani yethuza
yethuza sake sagida
yethuza sibili yangani yathi but nje when sithi ngokuyi project nyana so ngafunda okuningi that's why ingasazanga yaphumelela yabona kuningi okumele kwenzakale ukuthi into yakho ibe njani ibe solid.
Okay,
so it was a good learning era sharp work.
Okay, so kathe suphendukile sungulitshe
so kathe sengulitshe.
Okay, ayisizathi sesifika khona apha ishini yokuthi usungulitshe lo sukuyenzile sungulitshe sizabuyela futhi mbijana sike sikhulume like you talked about ama issues anje ukuthi you are not being paid. We also know that at one point you also once complained about the national broadcaster not paying you. How can artists solve the issue of non-payment? Not only from ukuthi because this card people cry for non-payment from their groups, but even established institutions. Agcine ngabhadala ama artists. What's your word? What advice? What do you as an artist wish to see when it comes to payment? Ukuthi kumbusibani basehluleke ukusibhadala. Siyenze njani ukuze sithole imali yethu?
Yazi angazi khona kwazi ukuthi singamiswa njani ukuthi maybe kube lo mthetho wena association silawo yama association like National Arts Council yethu ukuthi angazi ukuthi ungafaka umthetho bani yabona osprotectayo ezama artists ukuthi umuntu enganisebenzisi yabona umuntu engadli ngani ungathi senkwenzela umsebenzi kimi ngokumele ngikuthole yabona what is true ngimanti leyana national broadcaster eqinisweni ngezobuhlungu because ngasebenza afuqamba manga ngasigadisa ngasiaccommodate eHarare. This project was shot in Harare yabo 2015 and the contract ngangiyisignile as a contract yami vele ibhadala futhi in US dollars yabo ngaqeda project yaba successfully project yabo baqalisa ku-air nangakatholi sent sebebreachile kuthatha i-contract nasemphendukile ukulayo. Then I tried doing my follow-ups ngemali yami. It took me 5 years looking thing imali so kuzokwatshintsha labantu ababe involved project so kwanthatha kakhulu ukuthi no mina ngisoze ngicishise ngisesabani akwenzakalayo sengikhulume labo sengifonela direct khona ngani bajikela namafoni abantu ngathi no mina le ndaba le yahlupha. Then I approached abama newspaper abanye bayisaba ukuyibhala indaba yakho nawo abalesibindi bayithatha indaba yana bayipublish. Yabo so sebebona sekupublish indaba lana khanya kwabathinta. Then I got a phone call so can we have your account details ngathaba mina sithi ukuthi imali yami njani and kwakuyimali kwa 10 kg yempuphu vele mbuhlungu ka 10 kg yempuphu. Can you imagine? So mina ukuthi ngasebenzela i 10 kg yempuphu
from a national broadcast.
From national broadcast. Imali yami sibuya RTGS. And I still remember the amount was 780 bond RTGS. Engina ku-account yomuntu osebenzile.
So no other further communications.
Ngahle ngakhala. Ngahle ngathi hayi ngifundile. And I vowed ukuthi vele anything ibe ngabuya besithi bafunani. Ana lena vele angincane.
Wena social.
Ngibo ngangcono ngenza amanye ama projects aseceleni.
All right.
Uyabona.
So now on the big question abantu abangabalayo is or the other artists is how can we then deal with the whole issue as the artists, as the arts community regarding payment, not only from them of course, kuba baningi abantu that take artists for granted. So yeah, maybe that's one question that will be ebantwini abaningi ukuthi singa deala layo njani ukwenza ukuthi sonke at the end of the day sibe siholile sibe sishaya.
Like vela ukuthi angazi ukuthi ungamiswa njani ukuthi ama artists kodwa kodwa ukuthi ungaba ne association besibe labantu kunjalo yabona ukuthi kunzima ngani yabona imkhono wethu amanye amazwe amanye ama artists balabantu abamamelayo especially umuntu le lawyer lakhe yabona ukuthi yakwanza ukuhambisa emthethweni mina ngibe lo muntu mina vele lawyer la but kale simna ngomkhono mokhona ngilamala ke not afford ukuthi ngidingilawyer elizamela in terms of ukuthi contract yami sibridge or what. So ukuthi yena la National Arts Council ngaba njani ukuthi angazi uhlalwe phansi kubu usidingelwe umthetho sibili kumbe ngamaloya ukuthi ngiyomela ama artists la ukuthi ngaba lenkinga yami I know ukuthi ngiqobo bani.
Yeah.
Uyabona ngoba ngisayine i-contract yami.
Yes.
Uyabona sengikwazi ukuthi hayi vela ngikhale ukuthi engayara safikisa ne-court kumbe safikisa lana ukuze ngithole imali yami.
All right. Sike sakhuluma ngesadalala amajeketi. I think it's one of the popular dance outfits nathi primary ngabe ngimncane but if ibuya lapha vele befike beyenza izimanga will know ukuthi nxa kubuya isadalala vele hayi ziyabe zikhala kwabnandi. So I role ka Clever Chingwanza in your life, can we talk about it briefly on how he nurtured you as an artist and
Clever Chingwanza awamfundi ngafunda kunene. He taught me a lot. Even the thoughts the art wamfundisa singasifunda kuye yabo because Clever was a good singer, he was a good dancer, he was a good actor and umuntu wayewazi ku nature I talent ube identify ukuthi ukuda ukugudu ngalokho lizakulwa angcone ukushout bekuyive nekufaka isandla abechaya kudala director.
Oh okay.
Abechaya sibuthi yakuchaya ngempama sokuwethu ukuthi kathi khaliso kwamba njani la sifuna ukuthi into yakhe iphume.
So angakuchaya ungakhalala ke whatever.
Avela abanye babekhalala.
Okay.
Abanye babekhalala but we never gave up.
All right.
We never gave up. So our Clever played a very important role because mina ngangakwazi ukuthi I could maybe phambili lapha ngikhalela ingoma. Imbube mina ngayifunda kusadalala. Because Clever Chingwanza wawuthi umakhanaki was so close to Simon Banda Mahlaba.
Okay.
The late Mahlaba. When Sunduza. So imbube surprised that sabuyela vele sibuyela uSunduza umfollows but makhanaki vele njani same team ebuye njani workshop lathi akumize lapha. I remember kule ngoma kuthiwa Nkwayizane blind isadalala. So one of the great songs vele. One day ngilibeke emasibe munye stand square ukuhlangana nama artists every Tuesday wathi bebiza isadala lithi perform yena wasuma after issues akhalela ingoma Nkwayizane angakazi. Can you imagine? But lami ivev ngalithatha angabe idubula ingoma ahlaba ingoma yami so anyambonga kakhulu ukuthi mna akafunde uningi.
Still on that, sesingakhuluma first experience yakho staging. Anjo lapha udlule kwaba iaccident wagcina so Mr. Isets. Your first proper stage experience. Kwakusithwenzeni.
Ngangethukile. Ngayithuka sithi stage fright. because my first with Satalala Singing stage was in South Africa as well.
Ah, okay.
A market theatre. Ngangithuki. Yabona ukubona ngaze ngiperform at the theatre kula ama light, ule dressing room, ulane yabona ngangithuki. Ngangijayela uvalo, ngaze ngilahleka le script. Ngaphambanisa ama lines.
But they see audience yabona ukuthi ulahlekile kumbe kwaba ngokwe
kwaba ngokwethu. Kwaba ngokwethu. Thina sasikwazi ukuthi show lihamba njani.
Okay, so you're an award-winning artist. How do then abantu nxa bekubona feel ukuthi award-winning Ishmael? Kukwenza ube njani when it comes to work and everything?
Mina ngiqiniso nanti wama award ngaba khona but ngiyamthanda ukuthi phela abantu aba appreciate yabo. Abantu aba appreciate njani embathandayo but naloko wama ama award vela ngifaka anginawo but angifaki uqathekisa kangaka.
Okay. So, but how did you feel when you got your very first award?
It was a wow. You know, I felt great over eqiniseni indlela awada ngayo iye ihluphayo eqiniseni. Ukuthi kunomuntu oyabe deserve an award. But uthole ngani award yakho. Ngesikhathi kumele kanjani ayithole award. Egcine itholile angazi ubengiyizi question
uyithola ngesikhathi say okay
ngesikhathi sami.
Okay.
But besides look I appreciate even the first award yami ngithatha and I was overexcited. I remember I'm a BA was ngihamba uhlabile ngidlila amanzi kagetsi lo mfana uMkhathi the late yabona so yeah.
Okay. Interesting. So now let's talk about your latest offering. Of course, you have another 2018 Umari. Yeah. Before we get to the latest one, let's talk about Umari. What inspired Litshe to work on Umari?
All right. Umari vele ingoma engaba layo ngisathowa vele. Ngakayenza even le band nami ingoma le yayisikhona uMari sesong vele ngayichanga amarimba namajidami nje then ngaphendwa ngaqayisa ukurecord ama singles about regular 12 singles but ingoma zonke zenzani uMari I think yeah ingoma yayisetshenziswa ingoma yayisetshenziswa kakhulu then uproducer wasithi ke ngaba njani ukuthi ndoda uphushe ingoma le because ingoma le ine power le ngabe nokuthi hayi ngizathembona and then ngasidecide hayi kumele ngiregister for izimura kwenza ukuthi ngamfuna ukuthola into ezinjama royalties even protection ye music yami so I said no, let me come up with an EP.
Okay.
Include that track Mari and other 3 songs.
Okay.
Come up with an EP. As I means after doing that, you didn't say register, saying there's something. Yeah.
So this is 2018.
This is 2018. Yeah, but I started registering at 2018 March.
Okay.
Yes. 2018 saying incident ngahlala wasokuba kuyi-opportunity le evula izimo ukuthi hayi sesiregister kade simadoda mahara because imali ezazifunakala lapha zaziziningi.
Yes.
So I said no, kade we registering for free. So utilize this opportunity ama-musicians lamahla ngayiqela phezulu.
Okay.
Ngahle ngahambisana i-EP yami. Ngahle ngaregister ngahle aba yimember yami.
Yes, more.
Yes.
Okay, so Katesule in your album, Mix Masal. So tell us more. The album, the new baby. It seems the new baby makes you smile. Over happy.
You know why I'm super happy? Uti mina nga discover ama-strengths ami ukuthi abhesa ngawanda mina vele ngazibiza njengoyi-all rounder nyana because ngiyakwanisa ukuhlabela, ngiyakwanisa uku-actor, ngiyakwanisa ukugida, ngiyabhala, ngiyakwanisa ukudirector, ngiyakwanisa ukuchoreograph, yabona yenza imvenke.
Okay.
So why mix masala? I didn't want to base on one genre. So ngathatha ama-genre ahlukeneyo ngahlanganisa to produce i-album later mix masala.
Okay.
Because ungathi ngenza i-gospel ngiyayihlabela.
Alright.
Ungathi ngenza imbaqanga ngiyakwanisa ukuyihlabela. Ungathi ngenza i-reggae ngiyahlabela. Ungathi ngafuna i-jazz, I can sing jazz. Ngafuna i-hip hop esikeza khuluma ngayo ngona futhi.
Alright.
Ngafuna ikwaito ngona.
Alright.
So album yami ihlangene ama-genre ahlukeneyo.
How many?
It's an 8-track album.
8-track album.
Yeah, 8-track. I wanted it to be 12, but then I said, for now, man, it's 8-track album.
How has been the reception?
So far, overwhelming.
Overwhelming,
my brother. Overwhelming. So amazing to wanna, I want to be appreciated and Jan.
So as I was saying, Uti, you are now getting emotional.
Yeah.
Why? Why with this latest album?
The latest album, we are after Villa Boni phase. Empilweni yami. Ngiyakugula.
Okay.
Akhona udlala ukuthi ngathi nami sengibona ngani vele la parathini luzopha ngagula. Ngahlala sibile esibhedlela phosinyanga yonke ndalisiwe ngokuhlungu ukuthi isikhathi sangona ngigula oyi-COVID era. Ongila umuntu onjani ongaweze uyozobaba lawe. So that's where I worked more even in album yami. One of the songs of album yami. And that hope ukuthi no, this is not the end. And it was a life-changing moment yami. What changed a lot in my life. Because when I recovered, when I didn't know I've been given a second chance. Because with life at the EP and I'm sure abangaziyo before they can even see or tell the difference. I'm now a new someone.
Okay.
I've moved from that old someone to a new someone. I'm not which one. I used to smoke. So all that is now a thing of the past.
Serious?
Serious.
Litshe vele le gas.
Hayi lotshwala vele legwayi.
So umuntu amanzi.
Hayi ngamajuice phela.
So usaduri yes. Usaduri.
And it made me, as we one it made me even closer to Umkhathi.
Oh, okay.
Vele mangakhulila futhi ngulile khonzana. So on Sundays,
so see a church?
Yeah.
How Litshe?
Yeah.
Alright. Also soda.
No, very in Sunday Makoko, Thai Reformed Church of Zimbabwe.
Oh, okay. Alright. Alright.
Church vele sakhula CEO thina vele abantwana. Sabapatizo nje. Sabantwana kana pa. But ekhule nanto abazi. Ilahleka indlela.
Yes.
I'm so grateful ukuthi no uNkulunkulu la enginike second chance yabona empilweni.
Okay. One thing on the day when you launched i-album yakho, day before your son was graduating, that part of fatherhood.
Yeah.
You are launching your album just a day after.
After graduation.
After graduation, is it your firstborn, right?
That's my firstborn, yeah.
How do you feel? Njengobaba kaThesa ukuthi
ngizwela ukuthi ngathi my son made us all proud, because ngicabanga ukuthi even ama-struggles ade ngilawo ukuthi ukwanisa ukuthi ebhadale isikolo, bekunzima but bengasla njengomzali ukuthi even ngachaya ishow yami lapha ngiyabe ngikwazi ukuthi uncane kwami lokhana kumele kusave towards education yomntana wami. And I'm so happy guy ukuthi he didn't disappoint.
Uh-huh.
He made us so proud.
Uh-huh.
Ngabona umntwana at this age kwanza ukubekezela futhi eqedi isikolo and le nto deyifundela wow yayithusa uyenze architectural technology.
Oh, okay.
So
Nice.
sengido architect endlini. So wafuna ukudwebela ama-plan
ezindlu bechayifoni masini.
bechayifoni masini.
Yeah. That's a positive one. Like even looking back ukuthi ubusithi the past year you were not well.
Yes.
But getting ukuthi umntwana ekwanisa graduate and you also launching your album, which you are happy about. Vele ungavele ukuthiwe mix masala, you smile. It's so dear to your heart. Issue. Now looking at going into the future, what can we expect from you? What are you up to? When's that?
Well, I'm actually trying to create a legacy, and ngifuna ukuthi ngizama ukukhulisa uLitshe lo ukuthi brand le ikhule ngikwanisa ukuba maybe the Litshe Foundation, hopefully, which I'm planning to do. Yabona ngikwanisa ukuthi ngibe labantu lama abakhulumayo under Litshe music.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Any collaborations with ama upcoming artists or other artists? What are you working on?
Ngakayila album nale entsha I did a collab the upcoming artist yenza dance hall. Fana nje omncane uthiwa ngoFire T. It's good to dance hall. He's one of the boys engadano. Fana I'm working on an album. Since you mix masala, I would love Zamuti is trying. Is in dance hall.
Oh, okay.
So when I very specialized and I well up la mavesinyana in my ingoma yami so now it worked out well.
Okay.
It's the last trip number 8 to Rudo.
So even go launch yakho there were a number of upcoming artists that came on stage. So are you going also to work with them? Labana, it was just for the launch.
No, but Labana wabona ku launch very insebenza la.
Oh, okay.
There's a umfana wangena kuqala NK Warrior. Yeah, uyenza kwaito lokushini kwaito umfana vele engisebenza la mfana ama projects amaningi ngiyenza la then lo sisi bajusana nona utaza disco music lenye project vele sesisebenza artists.
Okay. So ungathiwa issue just people that you want to give a shout out to that have helped you build your brand, build your career. Ngobani? Just to mention nje abalutshwana that you would love to say ngiyabonga for making me who I am today.
Hey, baningi ukuthi abalutshwana abaningi zibida ngokuseklema inkulu. Lo Matesu Dube he's played a very big role yabona. Ngilabo manager wami Joseph Ngubo, lo co-manager Desmond Ntini, kulo mama wami ozala mina vela ngimlahle. She's playing a very big role, you know. Ukuzama ukuthi ngikhulise ibrand yami nale. My kids as well. And the Belandina.
Okay. So how many kids do you have?
I've got 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
first born and father. Then we had 2 girls.
Okay. Okay. So zaba mkhulu. No, like unyasha seqedile isikole. Seqedile
ukudala. These days asibanjani abafana data abakudala. Bafuna uqala bepesiwe ama goals abo bayathenga nje into mina vele date nafuna uqala yenze so but yeah, you never know until was umntwana ngumfana anything so I expect anything.
All right, so as you wrap up, what can you say to young upcoming artists that look at your work and say, wow, we want to be on that level?
Yeah, engakutsho uma artist uthi lokufuna umuntu ofocused yabona ube focused ube yazi into efunayo kubalekile ama-peer pressure especially abafana abancane labo basakhulayo njalo uyengele ugijimele ukuthi uzikhulise ungakakhuli no funda yabona funda njalo be committed work hard akulula lokho it's not easy yabona njalo kumele ukwazi ukuthi ube patient ungachayi ama-shortcuts yabona ukugijima isikufika yabona njalo futhi learn to copy into enhle
okay
yabona uyakopa into enhle ungakopi into embi advice engayinika laba abancane abasakhulayo
I issue. It has been nice hanging out with you, getting to know more things about Litshe. Yeah, akathesi vele sensithi Litshe oka Litshe aka issue samanyana. So issue, it has been nice having you on Culxure Conversations. This is our very first episode. And I'm happy to see people that engakhula mbabona. You know, bengimncane but yabona art has always been one of my favorite places. So getting to see you, getting to hang out with you, give me vele kuyabe kuyinto engiyithanda kakhulu. And so to hear your stories is one of the things that I would love to make sure ukuthi abantu babalazi, because you have done a lot for our arts. So Butas, siyabonga ukubuya kwakho. It's nice to hang out with legends like you.
Lami ngiyabonga kakhulu leli ukuthi umbiza sixoxe sake khona.
Yeah, lami ngiyabonga.
Thank you so much.